Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Halloween Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to be using one of their little coffin signs. It doesn't matter if you get a plain one like I did or one with writing, because I'm going to be covering it with some of this faux Halloween leather. They have this in all different kinds of patterns. For the DIYs that I was doing this day, I was doing like a classic Halloween vibe. So I really loved the black, white, and orange for this with this graphic. So I'm just going to use that for a fun background here on the back of the little coffin like chalkboard. So I just cut it down to size. It's really easy to cut the faux leather and then just use Mod Podge to attach like the fabric back of it to the little coffin sign. It's freestanding, it stands up on its own. And then I thought it'd be fun to add one of their little felt skeletons to it just for fun. So these come together white and black all like on a banner, and you can just take them off. You can kind of pop the little felt holes back in if they've been popped out and make him whole so he doesn't have like holes all over him. And then I'm going to glue him down. Now I wasn't sure what kind of glue to use for the leather using the felt, so I used some of the tacky glue from Dollar Tree and it worked great for this, and it works great for fabric items. And he's the perfect size to go in his little coffin. He kind of looks like he's dancing in there, so that's kind of funny. Just something whimsical and fun for Halloween. If you'd like more fall or Halloween Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting!